Hello everyone, welcome back to more Lucy Drake's Productions. I reached 7 subscribers, and if I reach 10 subscribers, I know that's not even a lot. I'm just in this YouTube contest thing. If I reach 10 subscribers, I'll be doing something special for you guys. Whenever I reach 10 subscribers, and comment down what I should do for you guys for this special video if I reach 10 subscribers. Hopefully there's a lot. I will pick a random, like the best comment, or the random comment. So yeah, I just want to show you this. I got this new, Goldberg poster. It's Who's Next. It's awesome. Came with this WWE magazine. It's really awesome. So itchy. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know. Oh my, what? Can't see. It's not doing it again. Oh my gosh. This is creepy. Alright. I'll tell you guys if I hear another noise again. Just stay tuned for more videos.